Good. Quickly, what are we looking at? How did we finish up yesterday on the Dow?
Yes, excuse me. Yesterday, the Dow lost 37 points, closed at 20,976. A sell-off in oil hit the energy sector. Oil was off 1.2% to close at 45.88. Technology stocks were mostly higher for the day, with another strong showing from Apple. The JOLTS report showed 5.743 million jobs available, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.4%.
All right. What are we looking at? Apple. What are they saying?
Well, Apple, the world's most valuable company, rose 0.5% yesterday, making their market cap above $800 billion. Now, this is the first time for a U.S.-listed company. Many analysts like the stock because of its P/E ratio, its cash pile and dividend, as well as its growth prospects before the 10th anniversary of the iPhone in September. So now the market cap is $800 billion.
So Apple is worth 800, and they were only a few weeks away from closing their doors when Steve Jobs came back. That is some pretty good wealth over the last couple of years. Quickly, Disney, what are we hearing from them?
Now, they reported a 3% rise in earnings to $13.34 billion. Earnings rose 11% to $2.39 billion. Both numbers were in line with expectations. Disney also plans to launch a digital subscription service that will focus on regional sports and teams that are not necessarily covered on ESPN. ESPN has lost about 11 million subscribers over the past 5 years.
Yes, major problems there. Future Fuel, what are we hearing?
Right. Clayton-based Future Fuel, the biofuels and specialty chemical maker, reported earnings yesterday after the bell. Revenue came in at $54.1 million, and they made a profit of $3.4 million, or about 8 cents a share. Future Fuel has been posting good numbers, and they are operating in a tough environment.
And markets today?
Today, the Dow looks off 50 points on the futures. It's another light day for economic numbers, and we get a few more earnings as we wind down earnings season.
All right, Scott, thanks for getting up early. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks, sounds great.
6:45.